Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing a Keepall 45 that is truly next level. This is the biggest travel energy I have ever seen, and I am so excited to share it with you. Now this bag is part of the 2025 Flight Mode collection, which Louis Vuitton has come out with for a few years now, and they have always been super viral. Now again, this is the Keepall 45, which stands for 45 centimeters. Now this print also came in a 30 centimeter bag, and it is the 30 soft. However, that one sold out very quickly. Nonetheless, I was able to get my hands on this 45 size, and I am really happy that I did. Now, I did notice that the print was a little bit different on the 30 versus the 45. I actually do think that the 45 has a little bit more of the stamp print, so I'm actually really excited about it. Now, as always with all of our unboxings, you are seeing exactly how this has arrived in the mail, which, by the way, if you do appreciate our videos, please be sure to subscribe. About 99% of our viewers are not subscribed, but it really does help out and keep our content free. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get a first glimpse of our bag. Now you can already see the colorways peeping out, and I cannot express to you how beautiful this bag is in person. Louis Vuitton calls this the sandy colorway, and it has named it the Monogram Dune, which is a coated canvas material. Now on top of that monogram, you have vintage style travel stickers, and there are a lot of them. They are kind of a mix from vibrant to pastel colors, and it really captured the vintage kind of look really well. Now let's talk about the materials. So the trim is made of natural cowhide, and they also say that this enhances the retro look of this Keepall just given the color of it. They also share that this is a cabin-sized bag. Now, of course, different airlines have different measurements for what they allow in the cabin, so it's good to know the dimensions. The dimensions are 17.7 inches by 10.6 by 7.9, and that is length, height, and then width. Now, of course, this bag comes with both the two top handles, but it also comes with an adjustable shoulder strap, so you can carry it either on one shoulder or crossbody. Now, something that I love about this bag is the hardware. I think the hardware is really big, it's really sturdy, and it just feels next level. Like, it really does feel luxury. Okay, let's get a better look at the inside of this bag. Now, I personally like a very organized travel bag, so I'm not sure how I'm necessarily going to use this bag. It does have one main opening in the middle, and then there is one interior zipper pocket. Now, inside that zippered pocket, you will find the lock and key, which comes with the bag, and you can use to close your double zipped opening at the top if you so wish to lock it up. It also comes with a luggage tag to enter all of your personal information should this ever go missing. And then it also has a strap along the top handles to keep those clipped together. Okay, let's go ahead and try this on. So we're going to do something pretty fun today. I'm going to try it on, and then I am going to enlist my male model to also try it on. So you can see it on a woman's figure as well as a man's figure. Now, I personally think it's a little big for me. Like if this was fully at capacity, I don't know how I could carry this like for extended periods of time whilst traveling. It would just kind of feel like really uncomfortable to me. That being said, I do use the Tumi Voyager weekend bag, and it does have a strap to like clip onto your luggage. So it's a little bit less of a nuisance to carry through an airport. It's not going to fall off of your luggage as easily. I wonder if there is a way that you can make this bag have one of those straps to hold onto your luggage, or if you could use that top handle connector as something that you could actually clip onto your luggage as well. But in any case, there's just a little bit of a utility difference there. Now, when I do use it as a crossbody, it looks really big on me. I am 5'4", about 110 pounds just for reference. So just keep that in mind when you are planning whether you want to pick this up. Now, our male model for today is about 6'1", and I think it looks more proportionate on him. Now, it does look like a little bit small, but it is the perfect size for a weekender, you know, just throwing in a few items and getting on the road. Now, the Keepall does come in larger sizes, but it did not come in this colorway in a larger size. So unfortunately, if, you know, this is the print that we want, this is the colorway that we get. So with all of that in mind, let me know what you think of this bag in the comments below. Who do you think this was made for? Was there a specific personality, persona, gender? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you have it? Do you want it? Let me know all of the goods in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and be sure to subscribe.